All right, we're here at Visalia Radiator again. And Eric, tell me what this is out of.
This is out of an NCI bus. This is for RATP. They do all the city buses.
Yeah, there's a big, what do they take people around town or they go out of town? What?
Everywhere. They do the city buses that go around town. They also take people
They do
up to the
commercial-
park.
yeah, they do commercial stuff.
They,
So anyway, it's a big travel season and they said, hey, whatever it takes, we'll pay extra freight to get this done, right?
yep.
So here, this is the beginning. We're going to take these tanks off and put a new core in it, and we're going to get it as soon as we can because they're trying to transport people like theirs set up into the park or whatever. So we'll have it hopefully by tomorrow afternoon, right? We're going to get that core shipped in from Los Angeles.
We are. It's gonna come from San Bernardino. They're gonna start on it right now. Hopefully we'll have it tomorrow, maybe 2 days of delay.
And the core is just rotten, right? I mean,
The core-
it's just pretty rough.
The core is rotten. You can see all this little pink up here. That's actually the header. And once it starts to leak in the header, there's not much. you can
Here's some
do.
more pink over here, and that is actually where the tank bolts on. So that's a leaky gasket. So it's just kind of leaking all over. It's hard to deal with. And how much? This is like $3,500.
Yes, sir.
These things have really gotten expensive. Also, that they keep getting more and more expensive because there's been a tariff on copper. All the stuff is made out of brass and copper, so the price is going just to the roof. Anyway,
There is, but on the other hand, we're paying that tariff to have the brass come to America, where this is going to be built in the USA, where the alternative is to buy a complete overseas. You're still going to pay that tariff. You're not going to have it.
listen to Eric. Make America great again. All right? Eric Trump. Have a great day, everybody.
You bet.